Hey everyone, Zane here. Welcome to this complete product research tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find a winning product using SellerSprite. If you are just getting started with selling on Amazon or looking for your next winning product, this step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly how to do product research the right way. If you want to try SellerSprite for yourself, I have got you a special discount just for you. Click the link in the description below to get started and save some cash while you level up on your product research. And for now, let's get started. Why product research matters. Before we jump in, let's quickly talk about why product research is so important. The truth is, even the best marketing will not save a bad product. You need to find something people actually want to buy that is not too competitive and has good profit margins, and that is where SellerSprite comes in. It gives us the data we need to make smart choices. No more guessing, just facts. SellerSprite is an all-in-one products research tool for Amazon sellers. It helps you discover trending and niche products, analyze monthly sales, reviews, pricing, and competition, find high-demand, low-competition keywords, track products, and spot seasonality, and even more. So now let's go through the exact steps to find a winning product using SellerSprite. And by the way, when using the discount code in the description of this video, you can get monthly plan for $20 and the basic annual plan for $199. Also, to make things even easier and more convenient for you, the tools also come with a Google Chrome extension, so you can access key features quickly while browsing. Now, once you log in into your account, you'll find here this profile menu. Now you have to navigate to tools on the top, then choose product research. It is directly down competitor lookup. You will be redirected to this page, and here you will find many options that you can use in order to use filters. So these here all are filters. I will now clarify everything in this page. Here you can use the user guide. When you click on it, it will show you a simple guide through how to use this tool. And you can even go and click on this link in order to redirect you to this page. So here you will find more and more details about how we can use the tool. Another option is to click on tutorial video. It will jump you directly through this page so you can use videos to demonstrate more about this page. You can see more than one video by clicking on these videos right here. You can even go and click on classic version in order to show you display right here. But I will go back and use this interface right here. Here you can find the marketplace. You can choose any one of them in order to get all your products in this marketplace. So here you have United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, etc. And when you click on it, it will show you the products that is related to this marketplace. The select month, it will show the data in these current dates right here. So I am now recording this video in April 2025. If you want to see all the data in the previous 30 days, you just have to choose this option. If you want to see it in the previous month, which is March here in my example, I will click on this option. But in my case, I will see the data for the previous 30 days. Now here you have some presets. And when you click on any one of them, it will change some of the values just right here and show you down below here some products. Here you can see the results. But now let me reset again all the presets and show you the page without the preset that we have chosen right here. You can even go to filter library in order to go to your saved custom presets. But here in my case, I do not have a saved preset yet. Now let's make sure that people are actually searching for this product. I will choose this product. So go to tools up right here, then keyword mining. Now type the product name or main keywords. You will search volume, related keywords, and trends. You need to look for keywords with good search volume and low to medium competition. Those are your best bets for ranking and visibility. Save a list of these keywords for future product listing. And that was a bonus step. Now go to tools, product tracker, and add your product to monitor its performance. You will be able to see price fluctuations, daily sales, stock levels, and seasonal trends. This is great if you want to see how consistent sales are over time before making a decision. Choosing the right product. Once you have done the research, here's how to know if a product is worth selling. There is a strong, consistent demand. It has fewer than 300 to 500 reviews. You can source it at a good profit. There are opportunities to improve the listing. You can target multiple keywords with good search volume. If your product ticks most of these boxes, you have found a potential winner. Now let me show you how to choose the categories. From here, click on this arrow. You will find all the categories of products right here and the number of products on the right side of each category. I will simply go for home and kitchen. And when you want to go to more categories or subcategories inside this category, click on this arrow right here. It will show you more and more subcategories. I will go for home and kitchen, industrial and scientific, and also patio, lawn and garden. Then click on confirm. The categories that you have chosen will be displayed just right here. And down below here, you will have more and more categories. You have the competitors section, the products section, and the sales section. And each one of these options, you can find this question mark and it demonstrates what does this option mean. So now here, if you want to exclude some marketplaces, you can simply click on this section and choose any country that you want to exclude. And here you can enter the price, but be careful when you enter 20 as minimum, it will not show the products that has price at $19.99. So I will simply choose 19, then choose here 40. You can even here have the FBA fees. You can choose the minimum amount to the maximum amount in dollars. You can go through each one of these options, including the sales, monthly sales per unit. Let's say that I will type here 200 units per month to 800 units per month. Monthly revenue, if you want it from $0 to $50 revenue per month. You have here the variation sold, monthly sales growth, which is in percentage, BSR, and this is the latest ranking of the product in the main category. And this is an indirect indication of sales volume. You have the BSR change and the subcategory BSR growth. You have here the number of variations of the product. So let's say that this product has many variations, has many colors, has many sizes, etc. You can choose these number of variations per each product by typing here the least number and the maximum number. You have here the Q&A, the product's total number of questions and answers. You have the sales to review ratio. You have the rating velocity, LQS, which is listing quality score, the shipping size. For the shipping size here, you can choose multiple options. So I will go for small standard size, large standard size. Then here for the price, I have chosen already 19. For the rating count, I will leave it blank. For the review rating, I'll leave blank. MVA fees blank. Date available blank. Weight here, you can choose it in grams, kilograms, or even pounds, or even OZ. You can even choose the delivered price, but I will also leave it blank. Now for the fulfillment, you will have to choose FBA. And once you finish all the research filters, after you finish filling these filters, you can simply click on Save as Filter Preset, or simply click on Search Now, or simply click on Reset Filters. So here in my case, I will simply click on Search Now, then wait till it loads. Now, if you couldn't find any results, you can simply change any one of these filters in order to get more results. Now we will see the results and the products displayed vertically, and all the things and the parameters related to it displayed horizontally. So on the top right side here, you have the product picture, and the product name. You can change from list to grid. Display just right here. I will leave back to list. You can see the sales trend bar. This is the chart that's showing you the sales trend, units sold percentage, variation sold and revenue, variations count, price and Q&A, rating count and increase, rating and rating rates, FVA gross margin, date available, number of sellers, fulfillment delivery price, buy box sellers, and LQS. You can even click on this icon to view Keepa trends. And Keepa is one of the most relevant tools that you can use in Amazon to sell products. It will show you the buy box price, the price of the product, the ratings, sellers ratings, etc. Here you can show it in all time since the product was published, or simply choose 1 month. And you can even export this as Excel sheet. When you hover over these 3 lines, you can see reverse ASIN, keyword explorer, ads insight, keyword distribution, and related products. When you click on related products, it will show you these charts, and it will redirect you to other pages so you can see more and more related products to this product that you have chosen. You can even click on add to product tracker, or even view product historical trends. And here you can see this chart showing units sold per month and revenue, and showing here the date. You can even export this as Excel. And down below beside these 3 options, you can see even the profitability calculator. When you click on it, it will show you this page. So you can calculate your profit in this product. You can even go and use these filters in order to show you the products in descending manner or ascending manner. then click on go to apply the filter. And you scroll down more, you will see more products and even pages. And you can go down till you find here this section. You can choose the number of products per page. You can even click on go to, then click on 5, or type any number of page that you want to go to, then click on go, and it will redirect you to the page itself. Now I will go back to page 1, and you can even export all these things or copy all SINs by clicking on this section. And you can even change these things that are displayed in this row by clicking on this option, then choose whether you want to display something by clicking on this box and check it, or simply uncheck it by clicking on it again, then click on save. So let's say that I want to remove LQS. I will simply click on LQS, then click on save. It will not show me the LQS. If I want to go back, I can simply go to column again, then click on LQS, then click on save. When you hover over the product photo, it will show you the photo in bigger size, including the size and the color. And here you have the ASIN of the product, PASIN. You can copy them or view them in Amazon by clicking on view in Amazon. And this is the product itself on Amazon. So here you have all the colors, sizes, categories, price, and more. And if you want to select two products to compare between, you just have to check this box, then click on these 3 lines, hover over it, then click on comparison. And it will show you a full comparison between these 2 products, including the sales, revenue, the price, PSR, ratings, and even the time. And when you click on this section right here, it will remove the product from the chart. And when you click on it, it will get back the product in the charts. You can even scroll with this line right here. You can click on it, then pull it like this in order to show you more and more dates of this product. You can even save this as an image. And that is it. You have just learned how to do complete product research using SellerSprite. It is not about being perfect. It's about using the right tools and asking the right questions. And SellerSprite makes the way easier. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have got questions or want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck finding your next winning product.